Hello, Education 555. First thing I want to say is well done on your personal position statements. I hope that you enjoyed doing those and had a chance to apply your vision, mission, and creed. It was really fun for me to read through those and see all the passion you have for different parts of education. And yeah, thank you for doing those. What a great opportunity for you to share. So let's check out our next section of the course. Module 4, Contextual Development. This week's essential questions: what's happening in the world, in the United States, and how does your school compare? Our required reading for this week, we're going to read the first part of the book, The Smartest Kids in the World, and How They Got That Way, by Amanda Ripley, pages 1 through 147. It's a heavy reading assignment, I realize that, but I think you'll find that it's a very interesting reading assignment, and it will go fairly quickly for you. It's a nonfiction book, but it's written as a story and just really an interesting book about different ways that education is done across the world and how it applies to the United States. So I think you'll really enjoy reading that as we keep looking at trends and issues. Additional resources there. I've included some supplementary resources related to our reading, some time to check those out. The PISA test will be mentioned in your reading. This is a source that you may want to check out. And then there are 2 discussions for this week. Now that you've read the first part, what do you think? What points agree with? What do you disagree with? Make sure that you include at least one reference in APA format in your initial post. Post your initial prompt by Wednesday. Respond to classmates by Sunday. 4.2. Now you're thinking about what you've read so far in this book by Ripley. Select something from the reading that you would like to see applied to your current school, and then follow through with answering those prompts, especially how does it apply to your mission, vision, and creed. APA reference, remember. First post due Wednesday at midnight, second Sunday at midnight. Now let's check out the final project. Get started on the final project. It's due on the Sunday at midnight of Module 7, but I would like you to get started on it, so let's check that out. What this is you are pretending like you are running a side business as a school consultant. You've been hired to provide advice to the school board on an issue or trend that needs to be addressed in a local school district. You'll work with a partner on the activity if you choose. You do not have to do that. So I want you to read through this, and ending up, the final project is a TED Talk, which is up to 10 minutes long, with both partners speaking being featured if you do them as a partner, and a 1 to 2 page handout that school board members can reference while watching the talk. Okay? You're getting paid big bucks for this, so make sure your presentation is worth it as a consulting service. So first thing, make contact with someone who will be your partner. You do not have to be a partner, but you can if you wish. Then follow through the steps listed here, including watching sample TED Talks. I also want to focus here, once you have an idea, head to the Google Doc linked under Module 4. I'm going to post a Google Doc that you'll click on. You can put your idea there for your topic. Once the issue trend is picked, it's off the table. So make sure you click on that and pick out your issue trend when you know it. Watching some sample TED Talks as part of the assignment, doing research, creating the handout. This is information on how to do your TED Talk. We're going to use VoiceThread, so please read through that on how to do VoiceThread. And then also check out the rubric on Blackboard for more information. I also want to draw your attention to the course information, which has some assignment exemplars for the final project. Come on. And if you scroll down, we've got final project assignment exemplars. So here are the handouts and the TED Talks, so you can check out what other people have done as well. Keep going to Module 4 here. Last thing is the questions, anyone. If you have any questions, to go ahead and post there. I will also get a link posted so you can sign up for your final project. All right, any questions at all, let me know. I'm happy to help. Have a great week, everybody.